Paul and Jonah.
Okay.
Zacchaeus and Gabriel Moore. Hottie and Prince.
Will and Nemo.
Abby and Charlie.
And this is Taco and I'm Chloe.
Uh-oh, we got a nervous guy here.
My name is Anna and my dog's name is Bullet. My name is Kinley and my dog's name is Max. My name is Paxton and my dog's name is Bruno.
My name is Carson and my dog's name is Blaze.
What is Blaze?
A lab.
Another big group here. All right, let's check out our crowd favorite. All right, let's pick our crowd favorites as I walk by. I kind of feel like the Pope or Benny Hinn, I'm not sure. Which one's your favorite? You got a favorite?
I don't know.
Too many to choose from. Have you ever got to see the Canine Unit work? We were at an event last summer, and if you ever get a chance, they say they're going to put something up on Facebook so you'll know where they are, when you can go. But if you ever get a chance, don't miss it to see these canines work and do their thing. I think they're having a harder time picking the men than they were the women. Hard group, they say. Oh, they got it. Okay, 4th place. Fourth place is the Porgy. The Boxer. This one right here. Hello. See, you were all reluctant to come out here, and now you won your ribbon. Okay. Here's 2nd place for you ladies. And the prettiest male, or handsomest male. First one up here. Aren't you proud? Congratulations. First place, the handsomest male here. All right, if you'll exit out this way. All are, what are we, handsome, yeah. The best guy, adults. That's why I'm not a judge.
What's he doing then? What's he doing?